Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how we can blur images and image layers in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. So in the first step, navigate to your image. Let me just unlock it here on the right hand side so that we may apply filters and edits to it. So guys, what you want to do is click into that blur sharpen feature or tool on the left hand, click into it and select the blur mode at the top. And last but not least, customize the intensity of the blurring or simply by selecting the brush here. And here you may, for example, choose, let's say, for example, a very huge or large size brush, and also select the strength, like a really strong blurring. And after that, simply use it here on your canvas to blur the given area. As you can see now, that smiley here is pretty blurred, and let us do that also with that flying bird here. And that's it. Now if you'd like to increase the brush size even more, like 1000 px, and for instance select a rectangle shaped brush like this, you may for example use it, and after that blur entire areas, almost the entire image, just like that, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.